Getting your new project set up with a profile should be easy. And with Bricsys, it is. Your migration to Bricsys should run smooth and easy and as you would expect it. I'm Grant. This is the lab. Let me show you how. In this session, we're going to prepare a user profile for distribution to our project team. Now, whether you have just started out with your new acquisition of Bricsys and are playing around with the settings, or whether you are a seasoned veteran preparing a project profile to distribute and share, remember, sharing is caring. Let's take a look. Taking a look at our command line, we see that the onStart Lisp, remember that, has displayed some information. The current profile, the one we wish to distribute, is called Project X, and it uses a specific template along with some command line adjustments. We would like to package this profile and make it available to the wider project team. Now, let's bring up the Profile Manager by typing in Profile Manager. We are going to select Project X, then we will select Export, select the common folder, and save. Then, OK. That's it. And now, how to share. Here is a different user's desktop with the shortcut already set up to launch Bricsys with the Project X profile. In the User Profile Manager, we see that the profile does not yet exist in this particular user's profile list. So we're simply going to select Import, select the Project X profile from the common folder, it's indicated by the ARG file extension, select Open, then click OK, and then launch Bricsys with the Project X profile. As we expect, the environment looks the same as we saw earlier, but now on a colleague's machine. Migrating to Bricsys or setting up a project, it's just easy. Thanks for joining me here again in the lab. Stay tuned to future sessions with great content. I'm always here. Let me show you how.